Hello, boys and girls. As you know, Christmas time is coming. It's coming really soon. Are you ready? I'm ready. We're gonna look at our December calendar. This isn't the one we have in our morning journal, but it's still a December calendar, and we're gonna see how many days we have left until Christmas. Now look at my calendar on the screen. Now we know that Christmas is December 25th, right here. And today is Wednesday the 9th. So let's see how many more days we need to get here. So here is the 9th. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We need 15 more days until it's Christmas. 15 more days. So we're going to make a chain today to help us count down the days until Christmas. In the baggie that you got in your plastic supply baggie from yesterday, the one that you picked up yesterday, your Christmas supply bag, you are gonna find one piece of red paper like this. You should have two in your baggie, but you're only gonna need one for this activity. Okay, so go ahead and find your red paper. And you see your paper's folded. We're gonna keep it folded like this, okay? So keep it folded, and we're actually gonna press down on that fold a little bit. Then you are going to grab your scissors, and where are my scissors? Oh, give me 1 second. Grab your scissors. We're gonna open it back up, and with our scissors, we're gonna cut down this line where we folded. So we're gonna cut all the way down the line, okay? It's okay if it's not perfect, but try to stay nice and straight. So you hold your paper in one hand. So I'm holding it. And then cut, cut, cut all the way down. So now you have two pieces of paper. You're going to take one of the papers. You have two. Take one of them and put it to the side. You're only going to need one piece of paper right now. So now this paper looks like the same size that we used to write. Okay, so look at my paper. I have it long, or I could put it like this. We want to put it so that the long side is at the bottom. So turn your paper so that the long side is at the bottom. This is the shorter side. This is the longer side. And it's at the bottom towards me. It's by me. We're going to need our pencil. And if we're going to take 2 fingers. Now we're going to put our 2 fingers on the edge right here. You can space them out a little bit. They don't have to be super close. They could be a little bit open. And you're going to draw a little line with your pencil, like that. And then you're going to put your 2 fingers and you're going to line them up on that little line that we drew right here. And over here on this side, you're going to draw a little line like that. And you're going to keep doing that all the way around. I line up the finger on this side is going to go there. And then I draw a line on the other side, like that. And I'm going to keep going and going until I get to the end of the page. Keep going. Okay, so that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Okay, once you have all your little lines, you're gonna take your scissors, and on that little line that you made, you're gonna put your scissor, and you're gonna try to cut all the way up. Try not to go like this with your scissors, because then it's gonna make a curvy line. Hold your paper with one hand, and just try to go as straight as you can. If it's not perfect, it's not gonna be perfect. Okay, but we wanna get a piece like this. And then you're gonna keep cutting on the lines that you made. Okay, so hold your paper and try to cut as straight as you can. Don't move your scissors that way or that way. Keep them straight. Again, it's not going to be perfect. Look at mine's not perfect, but try to keep it as straight as you can. And you're going to keep doing the same thing on that next line. Cut, cut, cut. Be careful with your fingers. Take your time. Keep cutting until you've cut all the lines. Try to keep it nice and straight. If it's going really crooked, have an adult help you draw some lines on it with a ruler so that it's really straight with the ruler. Okay, I'm going to keep cutting. If you need to pause, you can pause the video. Okay, now you see how it wasn't perfect? I ended up with this piece that's really skinny. I don't want this really skinny piece. I'm not going to be able to use it. So I'm either going to throw this really skinny piece away or save it for something else later. So now let's see how many pieces I have for my chain. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I still need more. I need 15 of these. So I'm going to take that other piece of paper that I had, the one that we cut in half, and remember we're going to put the long side at the bottom. I'm going to give you a second to get the things that you need. Okay. Long side, so you see how it has two sides. In this one, the long side is on the side going up. When we turn it, the long side is at the bottom. So that's how we want it. We want the long side at the bottom. And we're going to do the same thing. I have 8 pieces. So I need 8, I need 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I need 7 more pieces. So let's see if I can get my 7 pieces here. I'm going to do the same thing. This finger is going to line up on the edge here. Okay, there we go. Draw a line. Then I'm going to line up this finger on that line. Draw a line. Draw a line. Draw a line. And keep going. Make sure that this finger is on that line, okay? You don't want them to be too skinny. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So you want to cut until you have 15 pieces. We're going to do the same thing that we did before. Just cut on the line. On the line. Again, if you absolutely need to ask somebody for help, ask an adult for help, but I want you to try it on your own first. Careful with your fingers. Careful, careful. Careful, careful. Okay, so let's see. Remember, I want 15 pieces. I only need 15. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 2 extras. I'm going to put them away. I'm not going to use them for my chain. I'm going to put them away. I only want to use 15 because there's only 15 days until Christmas. Okay, now that I have my 15, we're going to start putting our chain together. We're going to put our chain together. Okay, this is where you need to pay close attention, okay? If you don't have your 15 pieces yet, pause the video so that you can finish cutting. So, we are going to take our piece and you're going to put glue on one side of your chain like this, okay? And then you're going to bring this side and you're going to glue it. You're going to glue it like this. And you want to hold on to it for a little bit till it sticks. And look, it makes a circle. It made a circle. Whoa. Okay, so I have my circle like this. Now I'm going to take another piece. Let's call this our donut. We're going to stick a paper through the donut. So there's going to be a paper that goes through the donut. Okay. We're going to put some glue on the end. And we're going to bring the paper over. And we're going to glue them together like this. Hold it till it stays. So now I'm making a chain. I have a chain. Okay, so now I'm holding on to my second donut and I'm going to grab another paper and I'm going to stick this paper through the second donut. So I'm just going to stick it through the donut. It doesn't matter which donut you use. It could be whichever donut you want. So grab your paper and stick it through one of the donuts like this. And you're going to put glue on one end, like that. And we're going to bring this paper together to make another circle. And you're going to press, press, press until it's glued. And we're going to keep doing that until we have all of our 15 pieces. So right now I have 1, 2, 3 donuts. Okay, now my chain is like this, so now I'm gonna get the end. And I'm gonna stick another paper through the donut. Stick a paper through the donut. Put some glue on it. Like that. And then we're gonna bring this side over. You see, it goes over it. Like that. And we're gonna press, press, press. Oh, some glue got out, so I'm gonna clean it a little bit. Okay, now I have my chain. And I'm gonna keep doing that. Now I'm gonna grab my end and I'm gonna stick another donut through it. Another paper through the donut. Put some glue. And then bring the paper over, and this one will go over and this one will go under. Press, press, press. Okay. Now we're gonna get a paper and stick it through the donut. It's gonna start getting longer and longer. Put some glue on one end, like that. Bring this one under and this one over. Glue, glue, glue. And just keep doing that, my friends. Stick it through the donut. Put some glue. This one will go under, this one will go over. Glue, glue, glue. And keep going till we finish. Stick the paper through the donut, through the donut. Glue. Under, over. Press, press, press. Keep going. Paper through the donut. Glue, glue, glue. Under, over. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. Okay. Paper through the donut. Glue, glue, glue. Under, over. Press, press, press. Oh my goodness, this is a long chain. Paper through the donut. Glue, glue, glue. Under, over, press, press, press. Oh, okay, paper through the donut. If you need to take a break, take a break. Under, over, press, press, press. So cool. We're gonna have a chain, and every day we're gonna tear off a circle. We're gonna tear off a donut every day until we get to 0. And when we get to 0, we're gonna have no days left of school until Christmas. Glue, glue, glue. Under, over, press, press, press. Paper through the donut. Glue, glue, glue. Under, over, press, press, press. I have one more. Paper through the donut. Now, I don't want to stick my paper through this donut, right? I want to stick my paper through the last donut. Glue, glue, glue. Under, over, press, press, press. And voila! I have my whole chain. Let's see. Oh, you can see it like this too. Oh, I'm upside down. I don't want to be upside down. So I have my whole chain. And you can hang this. We're going to use it in class every day. We're going to take one of the donuts off all the day, every day until we get to Christmas. So let's count and make sure we have 15 donuts on our chain. 1, 2, 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 donuts for my chain. Or rings. They could be rings. Okay. Alrighty, keep this nice and safe. Good job.